The date is the 16th of May 2025. The time is now 4:48 AM. and I've just come outside and there's a noise. It's everywhere. It's behind me. What the hell is that? God, it's loud. There's a plane up there. And when I came out, I've got all the lights on the fence, look, and this one on the log cabin was on when I came out. There's a right noise going on. Can hear some geese calling as well. Can't see them. To be honest with you, there is the A46, a road about, it's probably about a mile away, but this noise is everywhere. That's the east. A right racket. It's in the east now. That's not traffic noise. And a dove's just gone over. A pigeon, a wood pigeon, I think. Hear those geese? Can't see them, not flying. Where are they? It's a really weird noise out here. It's everywhere. Coming from there now in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. A warning to the elders there. Oh, you can hear it. It's everywhere. Another plane up there. That's definitely not traffic noise. 4:48 in the morning. Look. What the hell is it? Behind me now, and there's no roads in that direction in the south. Look, listen. Oh, this is a sure sign that Jehovah is going to take down the watchtower. 110% sure, on the 3rd of August 2025, and I reckon it'll be supernatural. Plane up there, look. I mean, I've been here since 2018, or was it 2008, and I've never heard anything like this outside. It's just thunderous everywhere. Can't really pinpoint the direction. I think it's quite in the south there. It was just behind me a minute ago. Birds are singing. There. It's definitely over there now. That's in between my house 15 and 13. It's out the front. Two pigeons, wood pigeons, went by over my house, which is confirmation from Jehovah, like the two witness thing in the Bible. Car gone by. Well, I literally just stepped out the door, opened the door, and this light here was on, and I walked round all the others, and they didn't go off, just that one, and it's light now. So that's a sign from Jehovah, no doubt. It's really, I've never heard it this loud before. I've heard noises at night, but not this loud. As I say, the A46 is in that direction, probably about a mile away, but that wouldn't be making that racket. I've been out here many times in the morning, never heard that. I just heard a raven. Where's that going to land? On the aerial? Wouldn't surprise me. A raven is well, it's a raven. I think it's a rook, blackbird, but that's a harbinger of death. I heard that. I wish it'd show up. Yeah, I can hear the rooks. Yeah. Where is it? There's one flying there. A rook's just gone over. Very eerie out here with the birds flying about. Look, another one. They're everywhere. This is unsettling. Now the noise is in that direction. Can't pinpoint it. Behind me. It's honestly behind me. It's behind me now and in front of me now. What the hell is this? There's a wood pigeon calling, or a collar dove, I can't quite. There's a raven, look, can you see it? Or a rook. It's flying across Steve's house, number 106. There he goes. Harbinger of death. And they're flying over now, look. There's another bird. What the hell is going on? And another one. And another one. And another one. What the hell is going on here? Right, I'm just going to go out the front a minute, see if it is out there.